Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Sorry for delay. I think I think we are late. We are late. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Is it the last problem where we stopped? Can we check? Is it last problem what we done? Minus 115. Is it last? Can you check one time? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Can we start? Good morning. Good morning. Can we start now? Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So let me start the today's problem. So I'm writing the today's problem. I'm writing the today's problem. Give me 1 minute. So today's class is going to be more interesting. So some dangerous problems are there. Let's see one time. Let's see one time. What is the today's date? Can you say the today's date? What is the today's date? 13. Okay. So let me write now. 13/4/26. 13/4/26. This problem is going to be little dangerous. Try your level best. Don't think anything about whether you will get the right answer or wrong answer. Don't think little negatively also. It's going to be a little tough problem. I feel it is a tough. It troubled me when I am doing first time pointers. It will trouble you also. So relax, relax. Right or wrong doesn't matter. You try your opinion. Consider the following program. Consider the following program. So int main, int main, int main, int x is equal to 15. Printf percentage d fun of means function of 5 comma ampersand x return 0. End of this is a main. So because of return 0 into okay, that's okay. Now let's go to the fun function also. Let's go to fun function. Fun function is going to be little danger, so be careful everyone. So fun function, if you see int fun int fun int n int star fp int t comma f Yeah, this is. Can you go ahead? Can you people go ahead? It's a very interesting problem. Very less people can give. Can you try? I think this is the problem number 18 over. It is 19. Let me write now. Problem number 19. Example 19. It's a very interesting problem. Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone try. Little doubt also. You can execute it by writing program. C programming advantage that only. Little doubt also. Please write one program and verify. Yeah. Now can you try now? I'm going to explain within a few minutes. So if anyone having any doubt in the problem, please ask me. Please ask me. I will recheck again. But it's a nice problem. I still remember first time when I tried this problem, how much pain I got, I still remember. Can you go ahead? It pained me means it will pain you also. Everyone try. So you may think that Reddy sir became a drinker. Not drinker, right? It's a water. Bhaiya, it's a water. Yeah, see, pure water. I'm not a drinker. Pure water it is. It's a water. Bhaiya. Early morning he started drinking. Yes, early morning drinking water is good for health. Early morning drinking water is good for health. Reddy sir, we know drinkers will drink evening, night. What kind of drinker you are? Why are you drinking morning? Someone is saying base case. Someone is saying base case, return 1. Someone is saying base case, return 1. It is a return 1. This is the return 1. Someone is saying 25. I don't think so. Someone is saying 25. I don't think so. Bharadwaj, thank you so much, Bharadwaj. Right, within 1 week you completed all lectures. Within 1 week you completed all lectures. Hats up to you. Hats up to you, man. Very good work. Hope you will continue every day live come. Anything missing, right? You can see evening also, because you are going job. Because you are going job, if anything is missing, you can see evening left out part. Everyone try this. It's a very good problem. Yeah, let me explain. Can you post in the group? Can you post in the group? Some people still not came. Some people still not came. Ankit is came. Isaac came. Where is Soham? Bharadwaj came. Where is Anjali? Where is Anjali? Where is Soham? Can you post in the group? Can you post in the group? Hello? Can you post in the group? Are Ankit, post in the group. Right, now let me execute now. I'm doing now. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Everyone observe what is the answer of this problem. Everyone observe here. So if you see this, int x is equal to 5. Sorry, x is equal to 15. Address is 1000. In the main function, see, there is no global variable, there is no static. So no memory in the static area. No memory in the static area. That is everyone know. So x 15,000. So print a percentage d fun 5 comma ampersand x return 0. Right now, series 1. I think this line is over. Print a percentage d fun 5 comma ampersand x address 1000 is going. See this one. This is called, this function is going in two ways. Call by value, call by value, and call by address, or call by reference. So some programming languages uses call by value, some uses call by reference, some will use both also. See, he is sending one by value, one by address. Okay, anyhow, we are not interested in that story. So one data is going, address going, data going, received by data. Next one, address going, received by pointer. You know this very well. So, and one more thing is data purpose int n, 2 bytes of memory allocated. So next one, int star fp purpose 8 bytes of memory allocated. Address of this one is 2000, address of this one is 3000. So 2000 onwards 2 bytes for n, 3000 onwards 8 bytes for fp. So here it will, if you observe clearly, this is 5, this is 1000. Right? So I think f function is running. Now understand clearly. I am writing here f. Careful everyone, I may manage properly. F here, f function, see, fun function. Don't confuse here. There are in this story, three people you may be confused. Fun is a function name. Star fp is a pointer. And one more, f is a normal variable. Don't confuse. F is a normal variable inside. fp is a pointer variable. Fun is a function. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. Now I am starting the fun function. See this one, fun function. Fun function. So inside two people. N is there, this person. fp is there, this person. These two people. Right? Go inside. Go inside. And one more, remember how many times you will call the function. Those many times these two people will be created. Those many times these two people created. See, these are not static variable. How many times this fun function is called, these many times these two people will be created. Not only that, internally two more people also created. T also, F also. T also, F also. Be careful. If required, addresses also we will take. Their addresses also will take if required. So be careful, everything all right. Now see this one. For your convenience, I'm writing. Assume it is number 1. If number 1 true, I don't go further. Number 1 fail, I will come here. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Totally assume this program. Only my required things I given number. You see, when you are doing, it is your way of doing. Do whatever way you like. It is my way of doing. I felt only necessary people let me give number. I given. Right? If 1 is true, then I will go inside. Then I don't go 2, 3, 4, 5. If 1 fail, I will go to 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, if 1 fail, you have to execute 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm starting. Can you see the one? Now, as of now, in this function, if you observe, n5, fp is 1000. 5 and 1000. Be careful. So n is 5, fp is 1000. Go inside. N value 5. 5 less than or equal to 1? No. 1 is fail. So remember, because of 1 is fail, I have to execute 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, I have to execute. 2, 3, 4, 5, I have to execute. Whether I like or not, I have to execute. Because if you observe clearly, in the 2, there is no return. In the 3, there is no return, there is no exit, there is no break. Last line only return, means until here you have to run. In the second itself, return is there, I may not go further. Second, there is no return, there is no break, there is no exit. Exit means program will stop. Return means you will go to that function you came. Right? So break means out of this bracket you will go. In which block you are running, when you say break, you will go out of that block. Suppose here if I say break, I will go out of this bracket. If I say break here, I will go out of this bracket, something like that. Now let's see anyhow. So second one, there is no stopping. Third also no. Lastly only return. Right? Be careful. So can you see the second line? T is equal to, see this one. T is equal to, function is called again. Fun function called. Remember, 2 over, then only 3, 4, 5. 2 purpose I am going further. What is the answer? Same story. Same story. N becomes N minus 1. FP only. I think FP, there is no change. See, pointer, whatever is there, same. So here you are sending address 1000. You are also sending address 1000 here. No change. Let's see this one. Here N is there. Here FP is there. So here if you see in this block N, for FP is no change, 1000. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Again, same story. T created, F created. T created, F created. So first line I think anyhow fail. First fail. Then I have to go for 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 if you observe, T is equal to fun of. Right? So same N comma FP, where N became 4. FP became 1000. Previously 4, now 3. It is keep on decreasing. Some people are asking, sir, it's N minus 1. How can you write? Remember, in the recursion, one function call to another function call, names will not change. Values will change. So I think it is 3. It is 1000. In the recursion from one function call to another function call, names of the variables cannot change, because that is the meaning of recursion. Recursion means same variables. Values will update. So in the first time values are 5000. Second time values are 4000. Third time values are 3000. If I am doing anything wrong, please let me know. Here, no one is God here. If you don't concentrate, you are going to be wrong. You didn't concentrate. You are going to be wrong. Please be careful. You are not great. I am not great. Whoever will keep more concentration, they will be great. If you are keeping more concentration, you are great. So be careful. It will make anyone fool. Remember, you don't keep concentration, you definitely will become fool. I am not keeping concentration, I will become fool. So T is equal to fun of N comma FP. Same story. So T created, FP, right? F also created. Don't confuse. Next one, I think N value now 3, na? First condition fail anyhow. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 if you observe, T is equal to TRF. Yeah, T is equal to fun function is called N and FP. N is going to be 2, FP is going to be 1000. Be careful. Again, it's called. Remember, remaining statements are waiting in the stack. Some people are asking, sir, why is stack required? Sir, ready, sir, when recursion is going on, why is stack required? When recursion is going on, ready, sir, why is stack required? The reason is, see, second line purpose, you are going outside. What about third one, fourth one, fifth one? They are waiting in the stack. Sir, what is the need of stack, sir? Second line purpose, you are dancing outside. You are going for a dancing outside. What about third statement? What about fourth one? What about fifth one? They are waiting in the stack. That is the reason. That everyone now, pending work is waiting in the stack. You see, lot of pending work, if you observe clearly. 3, 4, 5 waiting in the stack. 3, 4, 5 waiting in the stack. Because 3 is based on 2. Next one, 3, right? 2 is going on, 3, 4, 5 waiting in the stack. Now see here now. T created. F also created. Now I think first line, if you observe, n value is 2, n value is 1 less than or equal to 1, true, but n value is 2 now, so it don't work. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is the 2? Function call. 2 is a function call. Be careful, almost we are close. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, T created, F created, 3 created, F created. Now see this one. I think second line, right? Second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, how to execute. Second line, if you observe, fun function is called N and FP. N is, I think, 1. It is 1000. From now onwards, be careful. From now onwards, be careful. Because of fun function, I am going outside. See the answer. See the answer, everyone. T created, F created. Right, address are really required, I will write. See, don't waste the time also. Every time, don't do unnecessary stuff. For variable t and f, giving memory. See, here I written the memory also. Why? You need address. Here I written the memory also. Memory is 1000 because this person need address. Necessary people only do the decoration. Unnecessary people don't do any decoration. So T and F, nowhere address required. That is the reason I didn't return address also, right? As of now, they are garbage. I didn't kept any value inside. As of now, garbage is there. Now understand. I think it is very, very important. What is the right? I think it is a correct time. It is a correct time now. See, first, right? Everyone observe. Everyone observe. So n value is 1 now. 1 less than or equal to 1, condition true. Please see, base condition is working. N value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 1, condition is true. Go inside. Go inside. As of now, FP is 1000. Be careful. Star FP. FP 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1015 is replaced by 1. Right? I think termination condition is happened now. Termination condition is happened now. So FP became 1. Check if I am done anything wrong. FP becomes 1. Star FP becomes 1. Next one, return 1. At the end of the story, this function returning 1. This function returning 1. That will goes to at the second place. What is the second place? T is equal to. T is equal to the story. So local variable T became, right? Return 1, na? Return 1. So that return 1 will come here in this function. In this function, this became 1. From which place you came already, you return also. So T is equal to 1, right? I think second line completed. Now see the third line. Everyone see the third line. What is the third line? F is equal to T plus star FP. I think star FP, if you observe, I think FP in this block, if you observe. What is the FP here? See, let's see. Am I done anything wrong? Let's see. Fun, N, FP. So this N became 1. This is 1000. Right? I think one function, am I done anything extra? Second line T, second line T, right? Second line T. I think same story. Maybe I done extra. Nothing there to bother. One line maybe. I think this is the second line. This is the second line, right? So n value 1000, it will return, right? So whenever the condition is true, that will becomes 1, and afterwards return 1. So this second line, maybe one function extra I done. Please be careful. So this second line is completed, right? So this second line is completed. It's a return 1, so it will be 1. It may be extra. Yeah, now understand here. So at the second place I started. This is the second place. This second place purpose, I went outside. I got to know. Right? So it is a n value is 1. It's finally return 1. That 1 will goes to from which place you came. This is 1. No problem. Right? And one more, you changed this one to 15 to 1. That is also okay. This line is done. This line is done. In this function call, these two are done. Lastly, return 1. So second line is done. T value becomes 1. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? Right? So if anyone having small doubt also, let's come here. First time, 5000. Second time, 4000. Third time, right? 3000. So next one, I think fourth time. So 2000. Fifth time. This is the fifth time. So 1000. Because of 1000, this function is over. Return 1, and you made 15 as 1. Okay, I think second line is over. Can you go to the third line? Can you go to third line now? F is equal to T plus, T value is already 1. T plus star FP. FP is how much in this function? In this function, FP. Because you are there now in this function. In this function, FP is 1000, star 1000 is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So F became 2. This is became 2. So third line also over. Can you see the fourth line? Star FP is equal to T. As of now, T is 1. Star FP, star 1000, this is equal to T. What is the T now? T as of now 1. That is already there. Next one, return F. F is 2. So 2 will be written. 2 will be written. Nothing there. Execute properly. So finally it is returning 2. So returning 2 means from which place you came, that place 2 will go. This T will become 2 now. So second line is over. Can you see the third line? F is equal to T plus star Fp. I think in this function you are now. Star Fp is 1. 1 plus 2. It became 3. F became 3. Next one, star Fp is equal to 2. This became 2. Right? I think a fourth line also completed. Fourth line also. Lastly, fifth line. Return F. Return F. F is 3. 3 will go here. This is 3. So T is 3 now. Next one, F is equal to T plus star Fp, T3. What is the Fp? What is the Fp? In this function you are now. Fp is in this function 1000, star 1002. So F is equal to T plus, T value 3, 3 plus 2. So 5. 5. So that also completed. So this is completed. Third line also completed. Fourth line also completed. Fifth line. Can you see the fifth line? Star Fp is equal to 2. T. So it is a 3. Lastly, return F. Return F. 5 will go. So this became 5. So second line over. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? F is equal to T plus star Fp. T5. Fp in this function Fp is 1000. Star 1000 is 3. 5 plus 3, 8. This is 8. This is 8. Next one, I think fourth line, if you see, star Fp is equal to T. This is 5. Last line, if you see, return F. Return F. So returning value will goes to, how much return value of 8? 8 will goes. Right, but here no one means, I think from which function you came. I think from this function you came. First you came from this function. The returning value will goes to that function. This is 8. So this is completed. Return 0. Finally, 8 will be printed. Output is 8 will be printed. If it is troubling you, it will trouble all the people. If it is troubling you, it will trouble all the people. Are you okay? If it is troubling you, it will trouble all the people. Are you okay? Answer for this problem is 8. Very, very tough problem. I know very well. Everything you have to manage properly. Everything you have to manage properly. Check one time. Anyone say, sir, I done mistake, you rectify. Anyone say, I done mistake, you rectify. Right? Remember everyone, you should be careful. You should be careful. It don't spare anyone. Reddy sir taught C programming 500 times. Right? So it will spare Reddy sir. No, it don't spare anyone. You should be careful. You should be careful. If you are not careful, you will do mistake. If you are not careful, you are not, right? You are not spared. Be careful, everyone. While doing trust, that is called respecting. When you are doing this work, please respect. Do everything properly. Don't show little bit negligence also. Still, if you have doubt, I think lastly, I think the advantage with the C programming is you can run also. You can run also. Output of this program is 8. Output of this programming is 8. So let me know. Let me know anyone having any objection. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move next problem? Check. Everyone have to say to me. So if you say go to next problem, I will go to next problem. Can we move next? Bro. बोलो भैया भैया बोलो यार भैया बोलो यार. Can we move next? Fine. Can we move? Yes, perfect. Perfect now. Perfect then. We can move. We can move. So my question to all the people, my question is only one question for all the people. Everyone observe. When will you go to priority? Sorry, when will you go to associativity? When will you go to associativity? I want answer from all the people. When will you go to associativity? Please help me. When will you go to associativity? Please help me, everyone. Hello? Associativity is nothing but a compromise. When the compromise will happen is match became tie. Two equal people fighting. Two equal people fighting. So from left hand side, minus is saying be mine. From right hand side, minus is saying be mine. I don't know this B should go with whom. Left hand side minus operator saying be mine. Right hand side minus operator saying be mine. So you don't know which minus it has to go, because both are having same priority. Then associativity. Associativity means a compromise. Compromise for most of the people is going to be left to right. Who came first? In most of the companies also, there is some tie. There are two people are there. There are two people who are working same. In a office, in a particular office, two people are working in the same way. Ability is same. So they want to give appraisal. They want to give increment. There are two employees who are working in the similar way. Same way, everything same. In terms of knowledge, in terms of work, everything same. But they want to give increment, but only one person to whom they may see who is coming first every time to office. Who is coming to office first, right? Something like that. Some companies may be having different policies. Some companies will say whoever is coming first to that person I will give. Means left to right. First means left. Whoever coming late means right to left. That person will give. So different priority, different operator, different stories. So remember, most of the people will follow left to right. Some people will follow right to left. Can anyone help me? One operator which is having right to left associativity. Can anyone help? Can anyone help? Right to left associativity, one operator. Mostly left to right. Right to left associativity, can you show one operator? I think assignment operator. Assignment operator. Assignment operator having right to left. Can you say one more operator? It's a very rare we will go right to left, but some people are there. It is a very rare we will go right to left, but some people are there. Some people are saying that equal. One more thing is plus equal. It is almost like equal only. Plus equal, minus equal. Some people are asking, what is plus equal, sir? Reddy sir, what is the plus equal? Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Plus equal what? Can you see this one? A plus is equal to B. That means A is equal to, right? A is equal to A plus B. See, assignment is there. A plus is equal to B means A is equal to A plus B. Assignment is there. Something related to assignment, right to left. Some people are asking, sir, we don't know what is the meaning of assignment right to left, like this. See this one. A is equal to, assume A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to 10. That means this is the meaning of, right? See this one. This is the meaning of right to left. So A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to 10 means, see this one. I think this B saying, left assignment I will do first, right assignment I will do first. B is having some confusion. Will I go with the left assignment, right assignment? So both are having same power. So left side also same strength, right side also same strength. It is having a dilemma with which one I have to go. So right to left associativity, go for right. So next one, this also having some doubt. Should I go left? Should I go right? Right? This is called as problem. Means priority same is a tie problem. Tie. Both are same power. You don't know with which one it has to go. Go with right, because assignment having right to left associativity. So this one will be first. So C became 10. That will be forwarded to here. B became 10. That will be forwarded here. A became 10. And one more thing remember. See this one. One more thing remember. For one operator, so see this one. For one operand, left also operator, right also operator, then only how to see priority. Both the side immediately operator is there. then only fighting. Otherwise, no fighting. Sometimes people will become winner, no fighting is there. Sometimes people will become winner, no fighting. Can you see the interesting thing? Can you see the interesting thing? Everyone observe. Everyone observe. For a FP, how many people are fighting? Can you see everyone here? Can you see everyone? Everyone see this? For a FP, how many people are fighting? Give answer to me. FP, how many people are fighting? I want answer. Give answer to me properly. Here, FP, how many people are fighting? Sometimes without any fighting, person become winner. If you want, you can check. FP purpose, only one person fighting. One person fighting, where is the fighting? Fighting required minimum 2 people. Minimum 2 people, then only fighting, na? One person, how he can fight? So for FP purpose, one only fighting means no fighting, no priority. No priority. Some people are asking star and plus both they will compare. Star and plus they both will. Why are you comparing? FP purpose only one person fighting. Why are you comparing? FP purpose only one person fighting. Why are you comparing plus and star, which is the highest priority? Don't compare unnecessarily. Because our priorities are there. Don't use priorities every time. Fighting there, then only use. Fighting is there, then only use. It's my sincere request. Fighting is there, then only use the priorities. And one more thing. T purpose, how many people are fighting? T purpose, how many people are fighting? Left, immediately only check. Left operator fighting, right operator fighting. See, left, right, immediate people, two people. Then what should I do? Priority wise go. Priority for the assignment and plus, which is the highest priority. So let's go once again. That priority list. That go one time, that priority list one time. Now you got more clarity. Few days back, you may not having that much clarity. Now you got more clarity. Go to the priority list, 73, I think so. I think, let's see, important 74. Go to the priority. Now see once priority. See this one. I think plus operator here. Plus operator is here. Assignment is here. See, assignment is here. In this line, all the people are having same priority. Assignment followed by addition, assignment followed by minus, subtraction, assignment followed by multiplication, assignment followed by division. Means first you will divide, followed by assignment. Or otherwise is one division followed by assignment, multiplication followed, first to do multiplication followed by assignment, next to do, right, next do the subtraction followed by assignment. So like that. See, all something related to assignment, all are there here. This is going to be left shift followed by sorry, see this one, left shift followed by assignment, right shift followed by assignment. It's a power operator followed by assignment. Ampersand means bitwise AND operator followed by assignment, modulo operator followed by assignments. These all are same priority, but associativity is right to left because of something related to assignment is there. So these all became right to left. Remember, no fighting. Don't go for priorities. Fighting is there, priorities. Fighting is a tie. Fighting is became tie. Then go for associativity. Don't go for blindly associativity. Whenever tie happened, then only. Tie means what? Somewhere plus minus fighting. Tie. Somewhere left shift, right shift fighting. Tie. Right? Somewhere less than and greater than fighting. Somewhere. That is called tie. So, I mean, these four people, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So there is no here assignment. Remember, no assignment here. You may be thinking assignment there. No, it is a less than or equal to operator. It's not assignment, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So anyhow, you have to see priorities properly. Whenever doubt is there, please come here, check one time. Right? So these are the things. Now see here. Now carefully observe here. Our problem also. T purpose assignment also, plus also, both are fighting. Who is winner? Assignment is coming bottom of the table, plus coming almost middle of the table. So plus is highest priority. So T plus this will be done. But remember here, so the star will go with the FP only, because FP having only one person. So you will take directly T plus star FP. So star FP we done first, afterwards T plus, then finally assignment. So in this entire story, if you observe, first I done this because no fighting. Afterwards, this value T plus I done. So plus is the highest priority. Afterwards, this one I done the assignment. I think everyone know this. Everyone know this, but I want to ask one important thing. That is the reason I came. Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? I want answer from all of you. I want answer from all of you. Please listen. Please listen, everyone. Dereference operator. See, so remember, here also star is there. Here also star. Here star is there. Here also star. It is a multiplication, division, modulo operator. These three people are having same priority. Multiplication, division, modulo operator, same priority. But this is the dereference operator. Pointer operator. So remember, pointer operator is highest priority. Then this multiplication, division, and modulo. And one more, if you observe clearly, second level, if you observe, it is the highest priority. Next highest is these. Who are those? Right? Plus plus operator, incrementation, minus minus, decrementation. This is called unary incrementation. Incrementation, unary, one person only. A plus plus, B minus minus. This is the unary incrementation. This is called unary decrementation. Unary incrementation, it is a unary decrementation. It is a dereference operator. So these are having, I write second level priority. This is the first level. All brackets are having first priority. This is going to be second level priority. One more interesting thing is these people, second row people, having right to left associativity. Suppose using one plus plus and one star operator, both are fighting. Suppose fighting there. Plus plus and star operator both are fighting. Remember, right to left associativity. Whoever there right side, you have to give the priority. You have to give associativity. So the plus plus operator, star operator, both are same priority. Associativity is right to left. Please remember. Why I am saying, you will get to know. Why I am saying that one, you will get to know. Right? I am going to the next one. So let's come here. Next problem is most probably based on that. That is the reason I want to discuss. I done that. Someone is saying second and fourth plus minus is common. Okay, fine. That's okay. Now let me write the problem. Next problem purpose, whatever I discussed, that is required. So now I am going to write the next problem. It's very interesting, very tricky problem. Can you start? Int main. Okay, int main. Inside int a of 6 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Int star b of 6 is equal to a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 1, a plus 4, a plus 5. Right. Next one, I think B also completed. Next one, int star C is equal to B. Next one, star C plus plus. Printf C minus B star C minus A star C. Star plus plus star C. Printf C minus B star C minus A star C. Afterwards plus plus star C plus plus. Oh, don't worry, whatever possibly you try, I will give the answer. I will give the answer. Whatever possible, you try. You no need to cry. I don't get. It's coming so deep, so difficult to me. Please, you no need to cry. Whatever possible, you try. This is going to be little tricky. That is the reason I am giving almost. See, pointer started almost like 5 days back. I am giving now. I am giving now. I know it is a little difficult, right? All the things which are necessary, I completed also. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Someone is saying, Ankit is saying something. Whenever correct time will come, we will see. And if I keep on talking unnecessary things, we don't move forward. My brain is saying this is unnecessary discussion, so I am not doing. So can you go ahead? Whenever correct time, I will raise those also. Otherwise, people will confuse. Now, can you go to this problem? Try everyone. What is the output of this program? Whatever possible, you try. Whatever possible, you try. Little doubt there, little doubt there. Please see the table. Little doubt there. Please see the table. Everyone try. Everyone try. Don't sit idle. Yeah, hope you people done. So can I give answer? Can I give answer? Can I give answer now? Can I go ahead? Hello? Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead? Bro, can I go ahead? Coder guy, bro. So printf, first printf 10, 10, 20. Okay. So yeah, I am moving to the story. Can you see this? Can you see the story one time? Forget about answer. What is the problem number? Problem number 19, problem number 20. I am going to explain whatever best possible you people done. So problem number 19 over, problem number 20. Problem number 20. Previously 19, it is 20. Now understand everyone, from this problem, learn as much as possible. From this problem, please learn as much as possible. This is going to be one more new style it is opening. In the pointers and array, one more new style opening, one more new style. I can see new dimension or new information or new data, new knowledge is going to come now. In this problem, you are going to learn something new. Can you see here? So you, as of now, you got to know what is array. Array total story, you know. Pointers also total story, you know. Now see this one, array pointers, how they can play. Array and pointers, how they can play. This problem is the nice example. Can you see this one? Because of first line, careful everyone, because of first line, some people are asking, sir, can you read this declaration, sir? See everyone now. Some people are saying, Reddy sir, can you read this declaration? Reddy sir, it is a declaration, you know. Can you read this declaration, Reddy sir? See, I'm reading now. Everyone observe. It's a very, very interesting story. I have to read because it will also be useful to you. Can you read this properly? See, int a of 6. How to read this declaration? Normal people will read int a of 6. As a computer science person, what is the meaning of this declaration? What is the meaning? I'm going to explain. You also know I'm reading so nicely. Can you see this? Normal people will read int a of 6. As a computer science student, how you are going to read? So start from left hand side. Listen, start from left hand side. Right? When you start from left hand side, first int came. Is it operand? No. Remember, when you are going from left hand side, wherever operand will come, stop. You have to start from operand. Start from left hand side. Wherever operand, A, B, C, like that, they are operands. Wherever operand, stop it. Start from left hand side. So int is a operand? No, it is a one of the keyword. So then what you do? Don't stop. Go further. So A is a operand? Yes, A is a operand. Okay. So you have to stop at first operand. Start from left hand side. Keywords are coming, ignore. If something else is coming, ignore. Operand, stop it. Okay, I stopped. Now if you observe clearly, to this operand, one side is int there. One side is bracket there. Can anyone help me? Who is highest priority? Int is saying that A is mine, so that A is a into. See this one. See correctly now. Into A bracket. So I am at here. I started from left hand side. Wherever operand, stop. So for this A purpose, int is saying that A is mine. So A is a integer. You want to say A is a integer. But from right hand side, this bracket is saying that A is mine. From right hand side, bracket is saying that A is mine. So A want to say that A is a array. Can you help bracket having highest priority or not? So bracket having highest priority. So remember, A is a array. A is not integer. A is a array. So start from left hand side. Wherever operand, stop. To that operand purpose, how many people are fighting? Two people. Left person saying that A is mine. So int A. Right person saying A is mine, A is a bracket. See, if you want, you can check that square bracket. That square bracket is a array format. So A is a bracket, means A is a array. So now see the notation. See, A is a array, first read it. A is a array, first read it. Next one, where everyone is an integer, second. A is a array which contains 6 people. See, A is a array which contains 6 people. A is a array which contains 6 people, where everyone is an integer. This is the first one. This is the second one. You have to read. Now, some people are asking, sir, if ready, sir, if that is correct, what about this? Int star B of 6. Some people are asking, what is this? Everyone observe. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Sir, this one you read, I am happy. Ready, sir, you read this one, I am very happy. How you read this? Can you read from left hand side? Start from left hand side. Don't behave like a English teacher. Behave like a computer science person. Start from left hand side. So int is a keyword. Ignore. Star is an operator. Ignore. Because your first goal is operand. Int is a keyword. Ignore. Star is an operator. Ignore. So B, I think for this purpose only I am coming. From left hand side, move forward, move forward, move forward until you will see first operand. Okay, I see. Now see the next one. Now can you see the neighbors? Now I am at a operand. Can you see the neighbors? When you see the neighbor, that star is saying be mine. Immediate neighbors only see. Don't see all. Immediate neighbor, both the side. Star is saying the B is mine. Bracket is saying that B is mine. So finally, B will go star and bracket. You know very well. Bracket highest priority. B will go with bracket. So the first thing should be B is a array. B is a array. Everyone observe. B is a array which contains 6 elements. B is a array which contains 6 elements, where everyone is, listen, where everyone is a pointer. Right? Next one, 2 integers. Pointer to integers. This is the story. B is a array which contains 6 slots, where everyone is a pointer. So some people are asking, B is a array which contains 6 slots. Can you see this one? B is a array which contains 6 slots. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is a array which contains 6 slots, where everyone is a pointer. See, is a pointer. Is a pointer. Everyone is a pointer. Everyone is a pointer. Some people are asking, pointer means ready, sir? Do you want to say pointer means address? Yes. Here may be 2000 address. Here may be 3000 address. Here may be 4000 address. Here may be some addresses. Here may be 6000 address. Here may be 7000. Some people are asking, addresses, okay. Addresses of what? If I go to this address, if I go to 7000 address, there is an integer inside. That is the reason they are addresses to integer. They are pointer to integer. There is a one integer person here. Here also there is a one integer person. Integer is there inside. Here also one integer person there. So that's how you have to take care. Now I will write for your convenience. I will write. Can you see this one? I'm writing here. Maybe there may be need some data there. So I'm writing here. See the note. See the note now. Into A of 6. That means this is the declaration. What is the meaning I'm saying? A is an array of 6 elements. A is an array of 6 elements, where everyone is an integer, where each element is an integer. A is an array of 6 elements, where each element is an integer. So if you want, you can see the diagram. Can you see the diagram? This is A is an array of 6 slots, where everyone is integer. They are not pointer to write the address and all. They are directly integer data. Int means integer data. If I say int address, then pointer. Everyone is 2 bytes. Because of integer data, everyone is 2 bytes. So that is the first line. Can you see the one more note? This may be first point. Can you see the second point? Note 2. Note 2 into star b of 6 or b of 10 is equal to, so as I mentioned to you, first you have to go to operand. Go to the operand. Yes, b is an array which contain 10 slot. Which contain 10 slots or 10 elements. B is an array which contain 10 slots or 10 elements, where each slot contain address, first address, where each slot contain address of an integer. Each slot contain address of integer. B is an array which contain 10 slot, where each slot contain an address of integer. If you see the diagram, this is the diagram. See the diagram? Everyone know, as a CSE person, everyone know. If anyone don't know, little doubt is there. Can you see this? B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see this one. Because of, right, see this one. Because of this is the array. Array means continuous memory location. But see everyone now. You are keeping here address. Some address. That may be, let me try. 2000 address. 2000 address. It may be 3000 address. Address. Remember? Address. It is a 4000 address. Some address. You can keep whatever you want. It is a 5000 address. It is a 6000 address. It is a 7000 address. Okay, fine. Now some people are asking, sir, if I go to this address, 2000 address you are saying, if I go to 2000 address, what is there? If you go to 2000 address, inside there is a int. That is the reason it is an integer pointer. Everyone is an integer pointer. Sir, if I go to 7000 address, what is there? If I go to 7000 address, there is a int inside. That may be 10, int 10, value 10, 20, something like that. But remember, because of their addresses, see this one. Because of their addresses, interesting answer. Because of their addresses, suppose this array is starting from 1000, see this one, 1000, but inside there is a 8 bytes address. This is a 1008. It is 1016, because these all are addresses. 1024, 1032, 1040. Please be careful. Inside there is address 8 bytes. Are you okay with these two diagrams? Are you okay with these two diagrams? As a CSE person, you should know this. As a CSE person, you should know this. Are you okay till now? Are you okay till now? In some gate examination, in some examination I seen what is the meaning of this declaration. What is the meaning of this declaration? In some exams I seen int star b of 10. What is the meaning? Some people, listen, those people who don't follow rules, those people who will do blindly, they will say like this one, int star b of 10. What they will do is, b is a pointer. They will say b is a pointer. No, b is a array. See, b is not a pointer. Some people will say b is a pointer. I see in some students what they will do is b, right? B is a pointer. They will say no, b is array. B is pointer is wrong, because bracket highest priority. B is pointer is wrong, because bracket highest priority, B will go with bracket. Some people will read B is a pointer. By seeing star operator, they don't control also. B is a pointer. No, B is a array. B is a array which contain 10 slots, where every slot is a, now read pointer, because B beside star is there. B is a array which contain 10 slot, where everyone is a pointer. Pointer to whom? Pointer, if I go to that pointer, if I go to that address, there is an integer. Pointer to integer. Or every slot contain address of integer, or pointer to integer. So like that. B is array of type integer pointer. Exactly. Right? Fine. So I think you people are really comfortable. I think you people are really comfortable. Can you see one time here? Can you see one time here? Just can you see one time here? There is a one small thing is there. I will show to you. I will show to you one small thing. I will show to you. Right? Whenever time is there, you please go through it. Whenever time is there, please go through it. I will say one small thing. Whenever time, you please go through it. Just 1 minute. For you, I arranged that one. I will just show to you one time. You just go through it. See, can you see this one? Can you see this one? See, complex C declarations. Complex declaration in C programming. Complex declaration in C programming. So you please go through it. Whenever you find out time, please go through it. Complex declaration in C programming. Examples for C declarations. Right? So this one. You please, let all the people see. Question number 1. Int I, what is the meaning? Int A of 10, what is the meaning? Int star P, what is the meaning? Int star P, what is the star P of 10, what is the meaning? See this one, exactly this one we are reading now. Exactly this one we are reading now. Can you see this? Exactly this one. Int star P of 10, what is the meaning? P is, that P is an 10 elements array, where each element is pointer to integer. Exactly this one we are reading. Next one, what is the meaning of this? So like this, some examples also I provided. Some examples also I provided. I request everyone, please go through it. For your purpose, I made it ready also. So number, remember this number also, 65. 65. Something may be trouble you because it is out of the story now, right? After a few days, you can do those also. After a few days, you can do those also. But remember, complex declaration in C programming, 65. 65. You please remember, 38 questions are there. You have to write whenever time is there, please go through it. Right? If you can do this, most probably any declaration thing you can handle. Right? This is for you, 65. Right? Remember the 65. Whenever time is there, please go through it. Right? Fine. Now, can you come here? Can you come to our problem? Everything is ready. Can you come to our problem here? Can you come to our problem here? Remember that one is 65, surrounding 65. Sometimes it may keep on update also. Every day, a few articles are adding. Different people are adding different things. Sometimes I'm adding, sometimes Stopper's adding, something is going on. So they may change the numbers slightly they may change. But surrounding 65 it is there. Whenever time is there, please go through it. Right. Now observe here. This problem, what is the answer? From this problem, you can learn something nice. Right? Give me 1 minute. Now, can we see this problem? Very, very interesting problem. Can you see this one? First line. Can you see the first line? A. You know the meanings also? Total, I think 6 people, na? Right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1000, 1002, because of all our data. 1004, 1006, 1008, 10. That is okay. So first one, let me keep 10 here, 20 here, 30 here, 40 here, 50 here, 60 here. So first array is over. Remember, declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose, creating memory. We are already created. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Can you see the second one? B is A. B is also array. See this one. B is also array. B is also array, which contains 6 slots. Remember everyone, B is also an array which contains 6 slots, right? And one more, everyone, 6 slots, okay, everyone is pointer to an integer. Integer pointer. Everyone is a pointer, means address. Address means 8 bytes. Let's give this. It may be assume 2000. It is a 2008, 2016, 2024, 2032, 2040. Can you guess? Can you guess what is the B size? Can you guess what is the B size? I think there are 6 people. Everyone is 8 bytes. 6, 8, 48. Am I right? There are 6 people. There are 6 people. Everyone is 8 bytes. 6, 8, 48. Will you agree? If you see the A array, everyone is 2 bytes. Everyone 2 bytes, 6 people. 6 to 12 bytes. Size of A. Size of A. If you want, somewhere I will write also. Somewhere I am writing here. Size of A. Size of array means total. 10 bytes will, sorry, 12 bytes will come. 6 to 12. Size of A, right? 12 bytes will come. And one more, size of B. It's a pointer array, na? It's a pointer array. Size of B, 6848. But however, one, right? However, computer to computer, it will change. You may see some slight difference. But remember, whenever you didn't mention anything, follow whatever I'm saying. Because I set to 500 batches, right? So definitely there is a meaning in that. If they don't mention, follow mine. If they mention, whatever they will say, just do that. Okay, fine. So size of A, size of B, right? Everything is okay. Some people are asking, sir, size of B 48 bytes. How, sir? Can you help me? Everyone is 8 bytes. So if you see fifth person address, if you see, right, 2040 is the starting address. 2047 is the ending address, right? For the in the B, first 0th person address, if you see, 2008 is the 2000 is the starting address, 2007 is the ending address. Every person having 8 addresses, because everyone having 8 bytes. 8 addresses are there. So 0th person address, if you see, 2000 starting, 2000, 2001, 2002, and so on, 2007. 0 to 7 is first 0th person. 8 to 15 is the first person. 16 to 23, third person. Next one, right? Second person. Next one, 24 to 31, third person. Lastly, fifth person. 40 to 47. So, first person, see this one. First person, first address is 2000. Last person, last address, 2047. So, remember, if you want to know 2000 to 2027, right, 2000 to 2027, including the everyone, including this also, including all the people also, how much memory created? If you want to know, last person last address minus first person first address plus 1, you do last address minus first address plus, see, remember this formula valid only for arrays. So last person last address, first person first address plus 1, you do. So 2047 minus 2047 plus 1, 48 bytes of memory. This is the way. This formula valid only array. Array means what? Continuous memory allocation. Continuously memory allocated, then only. In between some gaps are there. This formula will not work. Continuously should be there. All should be same size. Continuously. Array means what? Array means what? Continuously. And array, right? Every person is same size. So at any point of time, continuously there, you can apply this formula. Last person, last address minus first person, first address plus 1, you do. Total size you will get. So that's how that they calculated the size. Okay, that is also fine. Now listen. Everywhere I am expecting address of a integer. Everywhere B array expecting. Everywhere B array expecting address of a integer. But do you believe or not? It is a integer. Its address also I can give. It is also integer. I can give its address also. It is also integer. I can give its address also. Even though it is a array, every person having address. So he is saying that, B array is saying that I want address of integer. So you know very well, in the arrays plus 1 means skipping one element. So remember, I think A is an integer array where everywhere 2 bytes. When I say A plus 2, 2 elements skipping, right? 1 element skipping is 2 bytes, 2 elements skipping 4 bytes. I will be here. 1004. This is 1004. In the array plus 1 means skipping 1 element. Plus 2 means skipping 2 elements. Skipping 3 elements. Right? Not skipping anything. Skipping 1 element. Skipping 4 element. Skipping 5 element. right? So I think if you go to 1004, I am keeping here 1004. If I go to 1004, inside 1004 there is integer, that there is an integer pointer. If I go to 1006, so inside there is an integer, that is the reason it became integer pointer. If I go to 1000, there is a inside, there is a one integer. It's a 1002. It's a 1008. Whatever address you want, you can give, but inside there should be integer. So 1000, this is the meaning of array of pointer. Remember, it is an array of data. It is an array of data. It is an array of integers. Sorry, array of pointers into pointers. 1004, 1004, 1006, 1000, 1002, 1008, 1010. So if you observe the A array, nowhere pointer there. All are inside only. But if you see the B array, everywhere pointer means everywhere address. Address means whichever address you given, you are pointing there. That is the meaning. Remember that I think I don't know what is that color. Is it red color or brown color? I don't know. I have a problem with the colors. Can you say what is that color? Latest color what I used? Gray color. What is the latest color I used? Gray color or brown color? I don't know. Can you say latest color? Pink. Pink color. Yeah. So latest color pink. See this one. See, observe clearly. All the pink things, whatever I written, they are for our convenience. Remember, address you are keeping means you are pointing to that address. Physically, there is no pointers like that. For our convenience, user convenience. So address is there means you are pointing. That is the reason it became a pointer. But remember, those all pink colors are for user convenience. Inside computer, no arrow, nothing is there. You are keeping address. Oh, you are keeping address means it is a pointer. Pointer means pointing. Where you are pointing, whatever address you given, he is pointing there. All pink colors are for user convenience only. Okay, I think everything is perfect. Now listen. Int C, int star C is equal to B. See, because of is a pointer variable, 8 bytes of memory allocated. So inside that you are storing B, right? At 2000. Now, before going further, almost everything is ready. Please, before proceeding, I will ask one question. Please give everyone. On the board, how many variables? I want answer. Make it fast. On the board, please give answer to me. On the board, how many variables? Everything is ready. On the board, how many variables? Make it fast. On the board, how many variables? One variable. Name. These are very, very important. Name. What is the name? On the board, one variable is there. I am very happy. What is the name? C. Okay, fine. So how you know someone is a variable, someone is array? How you know? Declaration will say. How you know it is a variable? How you know it is the right array? How you know? Declaration will say. In the declaration, beside C, there is no bracket. In the declaration, right after C, there is no bracket. So it's a variable. So name is C. And one more, variable means inside or outside? 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 Inside, na? Inside means 2000. So A, remember on this board, if you observe, one variable is there, C. Variable means inside. 2000 will be printed. That's okay. Now on the board there are two arrays. Array names are AB. Array name means outside. Means 1000 here, 2000 here. Please be careful. So print ABC. A means array outside. B means array outside. C means variable inside. So like that it will be printed. So I added one more new printf. Please be careful. Variable means inside. Array means outside. There are two arrays A, B. A means 1000, B means 2000. Right? Print C. Print C. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. So C, which is I think 3000 inside 2000. No objection. Right. Okay, fine. That's okay. Till now it's okay. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Because of you have 2000, E will point to 2000. Because of you have 2000, it is pointing to 2000. Now I am expecting one small line. Listen. Now I am expecting one small line. Inside C, address or data? Inside C, address or data? Very, very, very interesting question. Inside C, address or data? Make it fast. Inside C, address or data? Address, so star operator. Address means star operator. Inside C, 2000, which is address. Which is address, so star. Can you help me? Inside C, there is address, so you kept star, okay. But if I go to that address, who is there inside? Inside C, address, one star K. But if I go to that address, if I go to 2000 address, inside there is again address. Am I right? Again address. So because of this 2000 address, C became a star. But if you go inside 2000, there is again address. One more star. 1004. If I go to 1004 inside, there is integer data, int. If I go inside 1004, there is inside integer data, so int. That there is an int, right? C became a double pointer. C became a double pointer, that is the reason. C became double pointer, that is the reason. C became double pointer, that is the reason. Be careful. Right? So inside C, address, one star. If I go to that address, again address, one more star. If I go to that address, there is a int, so int. Lastly, int there. Lastly, int there. So first of all, C contain address, one star. But inside that address, again address, one more. Inside that, there is an integer, so int. That is the reason C became a double pointer. That is the reason C became a double pointer. Remember, before going further, I am concluding. On the board, there are two arrays. Names AB. Array means outside. So 1000, 2000 will be printed. Next one. So one variable is there, C. Variable means inside. 2000 will be printed. So print ABC. 1000, 2000, right? 2000 will be printed. No confusion, I think so. No confusion. And a small question I want to ask you. Assume that I am a pointer. Careful, everyone. Assume I am a pointer. I am expecting answer. If I am a pointer, my increment is based on where I am pointing or not. Assume I am a pointer. My increment is based on where I am pointing or not. If I am a pointer, my increment is based on where I am pointing. Always remember, as a pointer, how much I will increment? It's based on where I am pointing. If I am pointing to cheap people, I will increment cheaply. If I am incrementing, if I am pointing to some great people, if I am pointing to some great people, my increment is great way. Your incrementation based on where are you pointing. Now, can anyone help me? Wherever C pointing, inside every person is 8 bytes or not? Wherever C pointing, inside every person is 8 bytes or not? Wherever C pointing, inside everyone is, right? I think C contain 2000. Go inside 2000. Who is there? 8 bytes. Address is there. If you go, C contain 2000. Go to the 2000. Inside 2000, there is a 1004, which is the 8 bytes. So C pointing to 8 bytes person. If I say plus 1, listen, if I say plus 1, he will point to next 8 bytes. He is pointing to, as of now, 8 bytes. If I say plus 1, next 8 bytes. If I say plus 1, next 8 bytes. If I say plus 1, next 8 bytes. He will keep on go like this because he is pointing currently to 8 bytes. If I say plus 1, next 8 bytes. Next 8 bytes, like that it will go. So that is the reason, if you have diagram, it will give clarity. If we have diagram, it will give clarity. Now, can anyone help me? Let me ask you one small line. Let me ask you one small line. Let me ask you one small, everyone observe, everyone observe. In the arrays, plus 1 means what? Skipping one element. What is b plus 1? In the arrays, plus 1 means skipping one element. What is b plus 1? B is 2000. What is the b plus 1? One element skipping. I think every element is 8 bytes. Na? B plus 1, 2008. B 2000, B plus 1, 2008. Right? In the A plus 1, skipping one element. In the A plus 1, skipping one element. In the A, if you observe, one element is 2 byte. Plus 1, 1002. So remember, always remember, my, right? If I am array plus 1, skipping one element. It is a very simple story. If I am array, skipping one element. Suppose if I am a pointer variable where I am pointing. If I am a pointer variable where I am pointing, that will decide my growth. Okay, I think everything ready. Now observe, very important one. Very important one. Everyone observe here. So until now you completed. So let me give the line numbers. Major line numbers I am giving. Assume it is 1. Assume it is 2. Assume it is 3. It is 4. It is 5. It is 6. Right? So totally 6 lines. Assume. Can you see the first line? Everyone observe first line. See purpose, how many people are fighting? First line I am doing now. See purpose, how many people are fighting? See purpose, how many people are fighting? First line I am doing everything ready. See purpose, how many people are fighting? 2. Who are those? Star and plus plus. I think who is the highest priority? That is the reason I mentioned. See this one. They both are right. Star and plus plus. Can you see this one? Star and plus plus. Can you go to the table? Yeah, I'm going here. So that is the reason I mentioned also. Right? Can you go there? Now it will become very simple. Can you see this? Star and plus plus. If you observe clearly, plus plus is there in the second row. Star also plus plus, which is the pointer. Star also plus plus. Remember, you have to understand, is a pointer or multiplication? Pointer. Star and plus plus, same priority. But associated is right to left. Am I right? Priority, same priority. Star and plus plus both are the same priority. But associated is right to left. Understand? But associated is right to left. So yeah, now you got it. So star and plus plus both are same priority. Whenever priority same, I have to go for associativity. Remember here, C now 2000. Can anyone help me? 2000 plus plus. Everyone observe. C is 2000 plus plus. 2008. But remember everyone, it is a post incrementation. It don't increment now. 2000 only. C 2000, C plus plus is 2008, but it is a post incrementation. It don't increment now. 2000 only. Now next one, star 2000. The value inside 2000 is 1004. So 1004, no one taking. See, in the first line, there is no assignment. This person is now, this is the problem with this person. Suddenly he woke up. You will say, why not C plus plus is 2048? Can you see the declaration? One time? Can you help me now? C is A. C contain in the C declaration. Is there any? Everyone observe. In the C declaration, are you seeing anything bracket? In the C declaration, can you see the C declaration? See this one. Can you see the declaration? Can you see the C declaration? In the C declaration, any bracket? Can you observe this? In the C declaration, are you see any bracket? In the C declaration, is there any bracket? It is simply double pointer. No bracket, nothing. Simply double pointer. Double pointer means inside there is an address. When you say it is a double pointer, it is simply address is there inside. Inside address. Wherever I am pointing, their address. See this one. By seeing double pointer, I have to understand. See this one. I am saying one interesting line. Listen. C is thinking like this one. Oh, I am a double pointer. Means, listen. C thinking like this. Think about the C point of view. C thinking like this one. C thinking that I am a double pointer. What is the meaning? I have address. C thinking like this one. I am a double pointer. What is the meaning? So first of all, I am a pointer, means I have address. If I go to that address, listen, if I go to that address, inside addresses are there. Inside address, that is the reason I became a double pointer. Wherever I am pointing, see, wherever I am pointing, inside there is address. Oh, 8 bytes person is. Wherever I am pointing, I am a double pointer, na? First of all, I am address. If I go to that address, again address. Oh, wherever I am pointing, address there means 8 bytes. So when someone increment me, so because of I am pointing to address, next 8 bytes I have to go. She will think like that. She don't know, is pointing to array and all. She simply said that I want address of address. She simply say this one. She simply saying that I am a double pointer. I am a double pointer. Please give some address to me. I am a double pointer. She don't know where he is pointing also. She simply saying that I am a double pointer. Means I have address. If I go to that address, again address. You don't care is it array or not. This is the problem with the human. Human will see with eyes. The major problem is I feel sometimes comparing the normal human, blind people are better. Because blind people don't have eyes. They will listen everything. With brain only. With ears only they will listen. They cannot see. Blind people advantage is they cannot see. When they don't see, they don't do anything wrong. Blind people are far better than the normal people. Sometimes I feel. Because normal people, they will see diagrams. They will see this, that, they will do. Oh, they will see this one. C pointing to one array. When I say C plus 1, one array will skip. Where I said like that. Wherever he is pointing, I think 8 bytes there, plus 1, next 8 bytes. So remember, be careful. From now onwards, whatever code star you are asking, very good question. But anyhow, right? So that is a mistake. Now, come to the next story. They can be used as a finite automata. I will use you as a PDA. I will use you as a PDA. Right, now listen, what I want to say, see, most of the time, eyes will mislead you. Most of the time, eyes will mislead you. This is my observation. Most of the time, eyes will mislead you. Brain may not mislead you, but eyes will mislead you. Brain is saying, Arey, Ankit, that person is very bad, yaar. Brain is saying, that person is very bad. But eyes saying, that person is cute. That person is beautiful. Eyes are saying like that. Eyes saying that person is beautiful. That person is cute. What beautiful, what nonsense it is. Everyone having 32 teeth. Everyone having two nose. Everyone having 2 ears. What beautiful man. That I is saying that person is beautiful. Ankita is saying that person beautiful target. But brain saying, Ankit, use brain, man, use brain. Most of the problems will come with eyes only. This is my observation. Anyhow, every person having their own perspective. I cannot comment. Ankit saying that I will follow my eyes only. Die whatever way you want. How I am responsible. Die whatever way you want. Now come here. Now everything ready. As of now, everything ready. Can anyone help me? First line is completed. Anything pending? Anything pending? Now I completed first line. Anything pending? See, you done the post incrementation. It is not incremented yet. Now it will increment. After first line is completed, then it will increment. It became 2008. Means the person who is pointing to first person, he will point to second person. See, you incremented, but that line it don't increment. It will increment afterwards. Some people, what they will do is, some people are very smart. What they will do, post incrementation. Post incrementation, don't increment. Post incrementation, don't increment. Right, okay, fine. Don't increment. Second line also they don't increment. First line they are not increment. Post incrementation, don't increment. Reddy sir said that don't increment. Second line, they will forget. They will forget. Post increment means forget few seconds, bhaiya. Not forget forever. They will forget they don't increment in the first line. They have to increment immediately after first line. They will forget. After gate exam is over, they will remember. After gate exam is over, they will remember. They will say, Ayyo Rama, Ayyo Sita. If you say Ayyo Rama, Ayyo Sita, Modi ji will come. BJP government will come. Amit Shah will come. Marks gone. After gate exam is over, Ayyo, I am not incremented. Post incrementation, you are not incremented in first line. You should increment immediately after first line over. You should increment. They don't increment there also. They don't increment there also. In that flow, they will go. After exam is over, they will say, Reddy sir, I done one small mistake. What is the small mistake? Post incrementation. I am not incremented in that line. I am not incremented afterwards also. Ayyo, 2 marks gone. Negative marking also. 2.5 you lost. 2.5 or 2.66 you lost. So be careful. That is the reason. It don't spare anyone. It don't spare me also. It don't spare you also. So you should be, right, so energetic. You should be so energetic. And one more thing, you should concentrate fully. You should respect it. This program will say post incrementation, pre-incrementation, pointers and all. This program will say, I want your full dedication to me. These programs all will say, all gate subjects indirectly, directly will say, I want your full dedication here. If not, gone. If not gone, please be careful. See, again he is asking, Ankit, can you tell why C++ not 2048 and 2008? So why 2048? Please let me know first. See the declaration and talk. See the declaration and talk. Why C++ is 2048? Can you see the C declaration and talk? Can you see the C? Array, idiot! Can you see the C declaration and talk? I said till now to you only. Till now, sir, because it is pointing to array. It is your problem. C didn't ask you. C didn't ask you. Please give array address. C didn't ask you. Please give array address. Why you given? It is your mistake. Are you getting? Can you see the C declaration? Can you see the C declaration? C declaration saying, I want address of address. C declaration saying, I want address of address. You given array address. It is your issue. It is your problem. See, everything decided by declaration only. Everything decided by declaration only. Please try to understand. Everything, how you declared me, that will decide. Thanks for asking. Yeah, whatever he's asking, some reason is that is a problem. What I want to say, with ice, that is a problem. With ice, that is a problem. C don't have any idea. But it is a 2D array. I understood. Why you given? It is your problem. B simply saying, I want address of address. B simply saying, I want address of address. What is the meaning? Wherever I am pointing, there also address is needed. Wherever I am pointing, there also address is. What you given, it is your problem. Remember, everything decided by declaration. Everything declared by declaration. Please understand. Now, very interesting answer. Forget about diagram. Everyone observe. Now. Forget about diagram. What is A++? Think about only declaration. What about A+1? Make it fast. What about A+1? Think about declaration only. Think about only declaration. A+1. Oh, declaration. In the declaration, from the declaration, I got to know A is array. From the declaration, I got to know it is A+1 bhaiya. It is A+1. It is A+1. So see the declaration. Int A. So this is the declaration. Int A of 6. This is the declaration. So A is a, listen, A is a array. From declaration, I got to know A is a array. Oh, it is a array. Declaration. So when I do a plus 1, declaration is thinking this one. Oh, a is a array. Next one, but everyone is integer. Oh, integer 2 bytes. Where everyone is integer 2 byte. So it will increment 2 bytes. 1002. 1002. Declaration only will decide. Can you see this? Into star b of 6. What it means? See this one. B is a array. You said b plus 1. B is a array, but everyone is an integer pointer. Everyone is a pointer. Everyone is a pointer. Oh, pointer 8 bytes. 1008 or 2008. Next one. Next one. So everyone is a pointer. Everyone is a pointer. Oh, everyone is so b plus 1 means skipping one element, but everyone is a pointer. 8 bytes. Next one. Can you see this one? C plus plus or C plus 1. See the declaration. Int. This is the declaration. So see this one, C plus 1. It is not a first of all array. See this, it is not a array first of all. It's simply normal variable. But remember, it contains address of address. Means wherever is pointing, there is an address. So is pointing to 2000, their address there, plus 1, 2008. Declaration only will see. See, not diagrams. Diagrams are for human, right? Diagrams for human eyes. Right? Don't mislead from there. Declaration will decide everything. It is your mistake. Na? You give an array address, it is your mistake. Simply saying that, C simply saying that I am a double pointer. C simply saying I am a double pointer. I want address. If I go there, again I want address. But if I go there, then I need data. That is the meaning. Right? C simply saying I am a double pointer. That's it. What you give, it is your problem. I think everything is ready. Now let's finish it off. Let's finish it off. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Let's finish it off. I am taking some other color. I am taking some other color. Which color I can, which color I can have? I am taking this color. Please see everyone. Everyone see. C is as of now 2008. B is 2000. Listen everyone now. 2008 minus 2000, which is going to be 8. Observe clearly. Printf C minus B, C 2008, B 2008, 2008 minus 2000, B 2000, 2008 minus 2008. Remember everyone. Remember everyone. Remember everyone. C 2008. See, 2008 is here. C 2008. B 2000, 2000 also. Remember, these two addresses are belongs to this array. The addresses which I am doing subtraction, they both are belongs to this array. The addresses which I am subtracting, they both are belongs to this array. Remember, listen, I subtracted 2008 minus 2000, I got 8. But these two addresses are belongs to this array. In this array, one element size is 8 bytes. One element size is 8 bytes. In this array, one element size is 8 bytes. Whatever you got 8, divide by 8. Total, it will become 1. So remember, first printf will give 1 here. Whatever you got, divide by 8. What is the reason? I will say to you. Remember, in which array, these two addresses are belongs to which array? In that array, what is the one element size? Divide by that. Divide by that. Now see, come here. You will get the more clarity here. Can you see this? Can you see? C is, I think C is 2008. But remember, C purpose minus also, star is the winner. Star 2008. Star 2008. The value inside 2008, 1006. Right? Minus A. Minus A. A is 1000. Remember, 1006 minus 1000, which is 6. But remember everyone, 1006 and 1000. 1006 here, 1000. Remember, again you are doing subtraction. See this one. Again you are doing subtraction. Subtraction between two pointer, which are belongs to this array. Subtraction between two pointer, which are belongs to this array. Remember, if you subtract two pointer, what it will do is, first to do subtraction. It is the 1006. This is 1000. You are subtracting two pointer, you got 6. But those two pointer belongs to this array where every element is 2 bytes. If you divide 6 by 2, so 3. So this will give 3. Some people are asking, why are you dividing? Remember, subtraction between two pointer will give number of elements present. See this one. It is a 2000, it is a 1006, it is a 1000. Number of elements present before 1006 from 1000. Subtraction purpose is number of elements. Number of elements from starting from this address 1000 before 1006. It will give number of elements. Subtraction between two pointers will give number of elements present between those two pointers, excluding last pointer. Excluding the last pointer. Before last pointer, how many elements are they? That will give. From today onwards, remember, subtraction between two pointer. I will write this also here. See this one. Pointer, see this one. Pointer 2 minus pointer 1 is going to be number of elements present between pointers P1 and P2, excluding P2. P2 is the bigger one. See, bigger one minus smaller one. It is a bigger one. It is a smaller one. Number of elements present between pointers P1 and P2, excluding P2. P2 you cannot count. P2 you cannot count. So one element less, nothing is there. Between P1 and P2, how many elements are there? Elements. Number of elements. Subtraction will give number of elements. Be careful. Right? Fine. Now come to the next one. To get the more clarity, there are so many printfs are there. Let's go here. C is now 2008 as of now. Star 2008, 1006. Star 1006. The value inside 1006. The value inside 1006, 40. So it's a 40. So finally, 1340 will be printed. 1340 will be printed. So first output will be 1340. That is the first output. Now come to the next one. I think almost you done it. Second line is over. Can you go to third line? Can you go to third line? No need to confuse. Can you go to third line? Remember, there is an interesting line. There is an interesting line. Can you see this one? Third line. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? First go to operand. Understand? First go to operand. Okay, I went. You are starting from left hand side. It's okay. First go to operand. Time is over. Yeah. Richa, you can go. Huh? I will come. Right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right. So let's finish it off. Let's finish this problem. So see this one. You will start from left hand side only, but remember you have to start the story. You have to start the story. Right. You have to start the story from the operand. You start from left hand side only. Start the story from operand. First go to operand. Okay. To this operand, no fighting is there. Only one operator. First to star. Star 2008, which is going to be 1006. Okay. Now I am at 1000. See, I am at here. Star 2000. See this one. C means 2008. Star 2008. I am at here now. I am at here. 1006. Now wherever you are, 1006, wherever you are, do plus plus. Wherever you are, do plus plus. See, remember, I am writing now. I am writing now. I am using another color also. Star 2008, 1006 here. It's a 1006. Right? So then what you done? Plus plus. It is a pre-incrementation. Right? So wherever you are pointing, point next. You are pointing here. That means it is a 1006 now. Previously, it is a 1008. It became 1008. Afterwards, star 1008. The value inside 1008, 50. But no one is taking. In the third line, no one taking. Don't worry. In the third line, no one is taking. Don't worry. So at the end of the third line, finally 50 came, no one taking. But remember, some changes are done. See, previously it is going to be 1006. Now it is going to be 1008. Careful everyone. This arrow not there. For your convenience, I written. So remember, whatever address is there, I will point there. Previously 1006 I am pointing here. Now 1008 I am pointing to here. Right? Fine. That's okay. One more incrementation you done somewhere. Now same printf going on one more time. Can you observe? C minus B. Remember C not updated. C 2008 only. But B is 2000 only. That is okay. But overall 2008 minus 2000 which is 8. But right, these two are pointers of this one. 2008 is here, 2000 is here, both are. So I think divided by 8 which is 1. No change in that. But what about star C minus A? Star C minus A. C is 2008, star highest priority, star 2008 is now changed little bit. What is the answer? 1008 minus 1000. So which will goes to this is 8. But remember, these two addresses are belongs to first array. In the first array, every one is 2 bytes divided by 2. It is a 4. Now, if you go to the star C, C 2008, star 2008 is 1008, star 1008, 50, I think so, 50. So finally, it will print 1, 4, 50. Previously 1, 3, 40. Now 1, 4, 50. So this also completed. Fourth line completed. Now come to the third line. Sorry, fifth line. Everyone observe. Start from right hand side. Wherever operand, stop it. First operand, stop. So C is 2008. Listen, C purpose, star also, plus also. You know very well, both are same priority. Associativity right to left. So it is a 2008 only because of post incrementation. So no change. Because of post incrementation, no change. Now afterwards do star 1008 only. Afterwards star do again the value inside 1008. Remember 2 star. Because of first star 2008 inside I went 1008. Because of second star 1008 also I went inside. See, I am at inside star 1008. I am at inside. I am at 50 now. See, now I am at 50. Wherever I am at now I am at here 50. It is not a it is not a pointer, it is a data. To that plus wherever you are increment, this became 51. Data will increment by 1. Data will increment by 1. So remember, after this line over, C++ pending, it will be executed now. It became 2016. It will point here. Pending things you do first. Right? So see, remember everyone, in the fifth line, 2 incrementations done. C++ also you done. Lastly, plus also. 50, because of this 50 became 51. Because of this 2008 became 2016. But 2016 don't affect in the fifth line, but it will affect in the sixth line. Can you see? C is 2016 minus 2000, which will goes to 16. Everyone is 8 bytes, so 2. 2. Now this is going to be 2016 star 2016, which is going to be now what is the answer? Star 2016 1000 minus 1000, I think 0 by 2. So finally 0. Check properly. 2016 inside 1000 there. 1000 minus 1000, 0. Right? 0. Lastly, see, it is a 2016. Star 2016 is 1000 and 1000. Right? Star 1000 is the value inside 1000. I think it is a 10. So finally, last printf, if you observe, 2 will be printed, 0 will be printed, 10 will be printed. Is it okay? This is the wonderful thing what you done. Remember, this is the wonderful thing what you done. It's a very, very complex problem. I also know, you also know. But starting only complex. Starting only complex. Further, it will become so easy. Starting only complex. Can you learn all these basics? Can you learn all these basics? 1, 2. 1, 2. Can you learn all these basics? Right? Maybe because the first time it will be like that. Further, it will become, see, when I give next problem, it will become so easy. Next problem, it will become so easy. Sure. Right? Next problem becomes so easy. Because the starting problem on the right on the array of pointer. It is a starting problem. Array of pointer, it is a starting problem. That's the reason it becomes right difficult. Right. Perfect. Chalo. Right. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. So Ankit, whatever problems are there, note down. Whenever CN doubt problem solve, doubt problem happen, there you can ask. Right. You can post in the group. You will get the solution mostly. Right. Otherwise, let me know. Right. Gather all the questions one time. Gather all the questions one time. Then we have one session. As I mentioned to you, please go to, as I mentioned to you, do RIC. RIC contain all. RIC contain all. All are there. Most of the things are there in RIC. Because if I don't want to do redundant work, what I done is, whichever good questions are there, everything I done in the RIC. Do RIC, you will find out. All good questions are there. Right, fine. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next class. It's a wonderful class. Today is a wonderful class. See, this diagram, no one knows. Some people are asking, some students are asking, Reddy sir, can you give your notes? Some people are asking, Reddy sir, can you give your notes? What do you do with this? Reddy sir, can you give your notes? Can you give your notes? Someone is asking, Reddy sir, can you give your notes? Okay, I will give these notes. What do you do? Arey man, have your own notes here. Arey man, have your own notes. Some people are asking, Reddy sir, can you give your notes? I will give this. What you will get? What you will get? Please let me know what you will get this. Have your own notes here. Have your own notes. Right? Fine. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Chalo. I have made my own proper notes. Yes. Yes, right. Everyone should have their own notes. Thank you. Thanks everyone. And yeah, good morning. Yeah. Chalo. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining problems.